Hello gardeners, it's Keith again. Today we're going to talk about overwintering elephant ears here in the cold climate zone 5 of Centennial, Colorado, which is basically a suburb of Denver. And we're supposed to get some really cold temperatures down into the mid 30s, maybe even a good hard frost in the next day or two. So I've left it to the last minute to get these guys inside. I want to show you how I overwinter them here in the very dry, low humidity environment of Colorado, and how I winter these elephant ears, and it's been working for me for years. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is cut all the leaves off. And these you can take inside and put in a vase, and it gives you a really tropical green arrangement for a while. So that's that part. Now, what I'm gonna do is dig up the, what do you call them? Tubers, bulbs, corms? I don't know. They're a big, fat, thick, stumpy thing. And we're gonna dig those up, and that's what we're gonna overwinter. All right, this is the first one. It put off a little side set. I'll go ahead and take that apart and store them separately. Again, I just shake off what dirt falls off naturally. I don't go to all the trouble of rinsing them and scrubbing them and drying them, and you know, who has time for that? Again, take all the roots off. Anything that's dead, check them over to make sure there aren't any hitchhikers that you don't want in the house. Okay. Even this little guy. There you go. So that's ready. That's ready right there to store. That's ready right there to store. And what I do, just like I did for the cannas, I have a galvanized tub, and I stack them vertically in the tub, so they'll be standing upright. And I'll get all the rest of them done. I've got two more pots after this one. All right, I'll show you where they go in the basement when I'm done. And here are the cannas, elephant ears, and bananas all tucked away for the winter. Thanks for watching.